2004 Grand Marquis. Here we go. Let me show you guys what we've done after. So still got the 4 converters, 2 there, 2 there. We true dueled it into 2 Dynomax race bullets. Let me show you guys. 2 1/4 in the middle. Here's the race bullets, part number 24440. There will be a link in the description and also on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. There's also merch there if you guys are interested in any merch. Anyways, there's the Dynomax race bullets. 1 there, 1 there. Then new tailpipe on each side. We didn't change this one, save them some money, but we did change this one, as you guys can see. So it has duals on it out the back. And then finished it off with some new shoes. Stainless steel tips out the back. Clean, nice, tucked away. Give it a little character. And there's the stock muffler that was on it. Stock white pipe. There it is. And there's something going on the freeway. So the road's blocked off, as you guys can see. So 65 is blocked off and everybody's taking Dickerson Road. Which I don't know what's going to happen with the drive off. It's going to be a weak drive off, guys. But it's not by our fault or his. Just want to let you guys know. But here it is. Let's hear it. Look at the sheep staring at me in the background. Back window. Yeah, it sounds clean. Got a nice pop though. I like it. What do you guys think of the tone? It's clean. A lot better than it was. Because it was too loud, too quiet there. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. 102. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear on the inside. Outside sound. Yeah, Dynomax sounds good on this. I like it. We haven't done any Dynomax on these before. And I like it. Nice deep tone. And I asked him inside, he loves it. If you guys don't know, this is our beautiful shop in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Holler at us or give us a call if you guys need anything. Again, yeah, that sounds nice. I like it. Enjoy it, man. Appreciate you. You too. There's not going to be any big drive off. Freeways, there's an accident on the freeway and everybody's taking this road. Go, go now, it's perfect timing. Got a little bit. You guys got a little bit, so we got to thank him for that. Enjoy, guys.